Good morning, children. This session we are going to discuss about the second part of the lesson air, winds and cyclone. Already we are discussed about the land bridge and sea bridge and what are the factors are mainly affect the air. So the moving air is known as wind. Here see effects of moving air means here the wind is unevenly heating on the earth. Means what is the wind uneven heating of the earth. Okay. If you take one glass tumbler, okay, and keep the paper on this tumbler and by your hand you have to produce the air. What is happened? What is the paper here we are keeping? The paper will be fall down. Okay, next we have to wet the edges of the paper and you have to put it and blow the air. Next is what is happened? That paper is blowing away? No. Okay. Now you should invert that glass tumbler and blow the air. What is happened? The paper now will be fall down. Means when the winds are blowing fastly, it may cause us to very destructive and it is blow over the roofs of the houses also. Okay, here how the wind is unevenly heating on the earth. So here major different factors are affecting on the uneven heating of the earth. First one is uneven heating between the equator and the poles. So already you might have that learned in that geography and we know that what are the regions are presenting near the equators. What are happening? They are getting the straight sun rays, means that regions get heats up very fast comparing to the poles. And here what is happening here when the warm air rises up? Warm air, already we know concluded that in the first session the warm air rises upwards. Means here the warm air rises upwards means that cool air 0 to 30 degree latitude that either on that air is passed to this side. Means these winds are starting the fourth winds in the earth. Okay, sorry, on the earth. Next is uneven heating of the land and water. So already we have discussed in sea bridge and land bridge. So means commonly it is sea bridge and land bridge. So here what is going? So the warm air rises upwards. So in near the equator regions, the land heats up comparing to the sea fastly. So what is happening? The warm air rises upwards. So which is the cool air presenting on the sea, that is occupied this space. So next what is happening? This space occupying after the winds are blowing sea towards the land. This brings monsoon. Winds. So these monsoon winds commonly occur in the during months of June to September. So June to September. Next is what is the land gets cool comparing to sea fast when it is night time. So means it is get the direction of the wind is close and gets usually reversed in the months of December to early March. So commonly farmers are depending on the monsoon winds. Okay, it brings rains. Means what is happening here? When the wind speed is increasing, so air pressure will be decreasing. The decrease of air pressure. So accompanied by this, it brings the rains. And we might hear this word cyclones. How the cyclones are forming? Cyclones are very form of violent storm on the earth. It may cause, so in different regions it called by the names typhoons and hurricanes. So it may cause lot of destruction. So how the cyclones are forming here? Here the land, what is the surface? Sea surface. Sea surface heats up. Sea surface heats up during the months of summer season. So what is going here? So the warm air rises upwards. Okay. We are in first session also, so many examples we are concluded that warm air always rises upwards. So here when the warm air rises upwards, the cool air remaining here occupying this place. Again, this air also rises upwards and it creating new air. And here again, so low pressure of the surface area. And water here presenting high pressure area. So which is have empty surface, that is having high pressure of the area. So means the whole system here brings, when the warm air rises upwards, it creating new air. So then the time what is happening, the other air means surrounding air, it giving the bristles and occupying this place. So when this surrounding air bristles and occupying its place, remaining water also comes upwards. And forming the cyclones. So means this whole system of clouds and winds spins the level of the water, and the level of the water will be grows up. It is fed by the oceans, heat and water evaporating from the surface, and it is accompanied with rains and strong winds. Mainly, what are the contributing factors of cyclones? Here, main factors affecting on the cyclones: wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and humidity. Okay. So when the wind speed is increasing, so which side the wind is blowing, that side regions are getting high, heavy rains and strong winds, and temperature also increases at that time, and humidity also increasing, and it is complete water evaporating and forming the clouds. Then it leads to the heavy rains and form the cyclones. Here mainly destruction of cyclones. Next is destruction of cyclones. So cyclones are more destructive. So it is when the cyclones are happening, what is going? It is lot of villages and what are the coastal areas getting more damage. So means in cyclones when they occur in time, so what we do? Okay, cyclones, what we do, what we do not. So what we do? So when here which department giving? IMD. IMD means Indian Meteorological Department. Means this department gives alert news always. So when the cyclones are coming, so where the cyclones are reaches, so near the coast areas they are giving the alerts. So then that time we should watch so every half an hour, every hour they are giving this information. So what is the news we are listening, that news we have to pass to other people, and we should ignore the rumors. So next is we have to keep emergency phone numbers. Okay, emergency phone numbers and emergency medical kits, and we have to pack all the essential things. Okay, next this time we have to avoid which is the places in wilds and darling wilds are presenting, that places we should ignore. Again we have to means help the other people who are there, our surroundings. Okay, next is we have to switch off the main switch what is presenting in our houses. Okay, and these people to how to do help. Okay, that is the in which regions are the cyclones are hit, that people must be alert, and how to listen all the time radio, what are the instructions they are giving, and they should be alert and reach the safe places. Nowadays we have more effective technology and fast technology through satellites and radars. Before only we are getting the information, and so last early people what is that they having less time to pack everything their essentials, and they have to send other places. But this time with the help of satellites and radars we are getting information through this IMD department giving before information before 24 hours or before 2 days too they are giving information. So we have to thankful to the satellites and radars. Okay, we have to do help when the cyclones are coming, and people also is going to take safe places. So next session we are going to starting other lesson.
Teacher, complete.